Everyone, this is Jason Vlogs. I'm at Clyde. We should have a train coming on another week shortly. So sit down and enjoy while I'm at Clyde. Also, there's gonna be a load today. There's TRACKWORK, so you'll basically not see any trains running to Katoomba or Mount Victoria or Lithgow or Bathurst, or any trains running to Sydney Terminal, or no trains running in Carlingford today. And okay, enjoy. Central service. A54 central service.
The train on platform 4 goes to Central. First stop Auburn, then Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern and Central.
Don't want to place behind me because of the guard. We have A54 is going to depart now. It's a central service. Its next stop is Auburn, followed by Strathfield, Redfern, and Central. It's just something that I'm just going to dodge on for you. I'm going to talk loud today. It's an express.
On platform 4, the next train does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
What? I thought the Sea Circle by Museum stopped here. What? I thought the Sea Circle stopped at Museum Clyde, don't they? Alright. Almost on all platforms do not stop. Okay, there it goes. Clyde's dead. There's nothing here. It's just T2 trains only running today. T2. Okay. There's basically no trains coming yet, so let's just wait. Let's just skip. All trains on all platforms are not stopping except for platform 1, 3 to 1 due to TRACKWORK. Like again, like I said, buses replace trains between Penrith and Central and Carlingford to Clyde. So there's bus replacements happening, and about to pass platform 4. We go to Wartown. Anyways, yeah, it is a weekend, so you'll only see Wartowns in this video. I'm sorry if I do get Wartowns. Leppington service about to pass platform number 5. Wartown Series 2. Leppington via Granville service. B19. Is this overshooting? Usually it's supposed to stop at Clyde. This train's going into Clyde. This train's going into Granville now. When this train reaches Granville, it'll now perform a Leppington train. Next train, platform 5, Granville only. Granville only will be the only destination. Trains running to Penrith are TRACKWORK. Most likely we should have a train passing really shortly. I'm just going to see what's at. Let's go see what's up at Granville. Yep, Granville's good. Yeah, Granville's good. Granville's all good. There's nothing there. Alright, so let's just hang around. Definitely, I will not go on platform number 1 or 2 because they're basically doing nothing. There's no TRACKWORK. Let's see where the TRACKWORK people are. There shouldn't be anywhere around. And the train should pass really short, which is a citizen. What? The most deadest area is Granville. So, if you're traveling to Granville, you just have to go change here at Clyde. Granville base. This Clyde's usually dead. Sorry if I don't have any Carlingford services today. So maybe I might vlog at Clyde again soon. When tomorrow is not TRACKWORK. Depends on what they say. I see the Leppington train at the train to Leppington is still at Granville. Clyde's dead. Nothing's here. Oh, I'm so sad here. There's nothing here. But up there is AMF. The trains come out of AMF. On this side ones. If you would like to... Anyways, guys, I see a train of thoughts approaching Granville. I'm pretty sure it's a City Circle by Museum train. It is a City Circle by Museum service. And yeah, the next train is in Central service in 8 minutes. Well, let's see what's the next.
On platform 4, the next train does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind
Yes, what
the
easy.
yellow line. Please stand clear.
Who cares? We already know. I already see the train at Granville. Yeah, well, hello there. Yeah, about to pass platform number 3. We have a City Circle by Museum service. This is trains towards what's it called again? Trains towards the City Circle by Museum are not stopping at Clyde. Due to weekend, trains do not stop here. If you've been on a train like City Circle, if you started at Leppington, must have passed Clyde once. Trains do not stop at weekends, except on weekends, because they stop every 5 days on weekdays, which is... They keep these signals red because TRACKWORK's today. Anyways, about to pass platform number 4. We have a water. It is a City Circle by Museum. Trains run to... Oh my... There's a water tower coming out of AMF. There's a water tower coming out of Urban Maintenance Facility. I think it's a water. I saw B10 came out of AMF and it came out of Granville. About to pass platform number 4. We have a City Circle by Museum service. Here we go. Look how clangy. Another water tower series 2. The set is B22. B22, not stopping. Oh, we blocked out a water tower. Express to Auburn. City Circle by Lidcombe. And arriving. I'm pretty sure they call this platform 6. The dead platform.
The next train to arrive on platform 4 goes to Central. First stop, Auburn, then Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern and Central.
If you see something unusual or suspicious,
A40.
notify
The one that...
as soon as possible.
I only remember when A40 was going to Olympic Park when on STV's vlog. It was an Olympic Park train. There's some guard on this train, so yeah. My God, that should calm down. And the next train on platform number 4. About to arrive onto platform 5, we have a Granville service. This is a pickup train to Granville so they can get the Leppington train. And arriving at Granville, platform number 3, over there, I'm pretty sure we have a central service via Strathfield service. It's central via Strathfield, sorry. I'll just call it central via. I feel bad for the track. I wanted to get lots of trains passing Clyde and Carlingford train. due to track work. It is now replaced with buses. Alright, I'm not gonna talk in this one. So good luck. Granville service, approaching platform 5. Is it gonna be first Granville service or Leppington train? I think. Yeah, I am Vaga, definitely.
What's your name?
Why would I ask my real name? Never.
Can I see your name?
Do you think I would tell my name?
What's your name? I know what's your name. You always forget. This is a leader.
Granville. Granville service. A26 is the set.
This is a leader, okay?
Alright, I'm just gonna ignore that. Train's going slow due to there's green and red. 1 second. Alright, I got the Granville service late for you guys. Sorry, but it's fun. Now the next train on platform 5 does not stop, which will be the Leppington train. Okay, I'll wait. 840 is now going back into AMF. Right behind me, I do have a central service, but no, I'm not going to film it right now due to our people behind me. 840 is going back into AMF. I saw B10 came out of AMF. I don't want to repeat this again. About to approach platform 3, we have number 4. We got a water central service. It is a central service.
The next train to arrive on platform 4 goes to
Oof.
Central.
I need to drop my accent, guys.
Auburn,
A7. Again, A7.
Redfern and Central.
A7 is a central service. Oh my god. Who's on platform 4?
The train on platform 4 goes to Central. First stop Auburn, then Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern and Central.
A7 central service. I'm just gonna face behind me because it's an annoying moment and the next train will not stop. A7. I'm a bit sure there is a train at platform. Just give me 1 second, guys. Sorry, that was dark screen. My eyes being a prick today. Anyways, I'm pretty sure if you can see a Granville over there, there's facing to Granville. You might see a water. There's definitely a train. Okay, 1 second.
So that's it, we go.
This one's going back into AMF 2. This is another B set. Oh, another Water Series 2. Trains you see come past platform 6 are not in service because they are coming from AMF. These trains are probably almost Flemington trains. It's a Water Series 1. It's my last train I'm gonna film. It's like too dark and it's like dead. That's 834. 834. I don't know anything about 834, but this is going back into AMF.
safety, please remain behind the yellow line at all times and allow others to alight before boarding.
Alrighty, this station's gonna die now.
Look, I don't want to break the key.
Alrighty, code red. There's code red called out. I'm gonna go now. I will all see you. Thank you for watching my new station. The new vlog I made today. Sorry if I'm making too much Marylands.
Oh, man.
See you guys later. I would like to thank you all. See you all later. Goodbye.